Congratulations, Amandeep, for getting placed at Mercedes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
So, how are you feeling getting placed at Mercedes-Benz?
So, the feeling is, I can't express it in words. I'm overwhelmed.
Oh, I'm sure. So, tell us, you have got into a role of customer relationship manager. What do you think you would get into? What kind of work you do day in, day out?
For a simpler understanding, customer relationship management is all about the practices and technologies that we use to have a centralized data, which would help not only our customer success team, but also our marketing team, our operational team, our HR team, and everyone, so that we can garner potential customers, also maintain the relationship with our existing customers, and providing the best and delivering the best and being what Mercedes is.
Wow, that's a great opportunity that you have at your hand, and I believe in these days, more than getting a customer, maintaining and keeping the relationships intact with the customer is going to be a huge success factor for the organizations, and I think a lot of that responsibility is on customer relationship managers. So I'm sure you would be doing a great job there. So let's also talk about, it's brought to my notice that you have been involved in a lot of various writing content stuff during your college days and other activities as well. So can you share some light on what kind of activity you were doing and what kind of engagements you had during your college days that helped you, outperform yourself?
Yes, sir. Being an avid reader and writer since always, I always did writing, but that was a freelance kind of thing. But coming to Narayana Business School, my teachers noticed that in me, they observed that in me, and then they gave me the golden chance of representing my college in Gujarat Technical University's Tech Cult Fest. Oh. And there I won a prize at the district level also, and at the state level also. I had a chance to represent and win for my college in both debate and poetry.
Wow. That is indeed a proud moment for all of us. So Amandeep, LinkedIn has become very popular among students for building their professional image onto a social platform. How active were you on LinkedIn?
So to be honest, my first LinkedIn post was here in Narayana Business School. I made my account here thanks to the very helpful faculties of yours. So all through my resume building, all through my brand building of myself, that helped me a lot. So LinkedIn helps you make an identity for yourself. Also, I found my community there. I connected with many people, and I now also do freelance copywriting, advertising writing. That is one thing I could never reach out to people. LinkedIn provided me that platform.
Indeed. In fact, I think it's great to hear that journey of LinkedIn helped you connect with a lot of like-minded people, and that's a message to all of the people listening this, that as a student, when you start your professional journey of studying MBA and getting into a job market, it's very, very important to create your LinkedIn presence. And I think we keep on doing that sessions on a repetitive manner because the presence on LinkedIn is very, very important for your career aspects. So Amandeep, tell us, how did you land at Mercedes?
Okay, so it was a exciting journey. I had interviewed with Varun Beverages and Ashok Leyland, and parallelly I was applying from other platforms like LinkedIn, etc. But I guess what could not work at all those places worked here. Mm-hmm. I would like to add one thing, that there's a general misconception among students sometimes that as a fresher you would not get such a big brand like Mercedes. As a fresher you would have to do sales and you would not get a pure marketing role. But here I am, an example in front of you that you can get a pure marketing role. You just have to wait for the right time, right opportunity, and you will know when that is for you.
Wow, that's really great. I think everybody, based on their plus and minuses, can weigh the choices that they want to work with. And I think you had a very strong conviction to get into a marketing profile, and I think that's what is needed. There is no definite path to your career. You have to play on your strengths and weaknesses, and I think you can land at whatever jobs you want to do in your life. So great. I think that's a strong myth that got busted with one of these conversations that we're having, and thank you for sharing that. So if you have to give one quick tip for all your juniors to follow, what would it be?
Okay, my quick tip would be, do not leave your art. Keep loving your art, keep pursuing it. It might get you places you never even imagined it to be. Along with your professional career, But please keep on going with your art venture also, and keep building your community. It might help a lot.
Great. Thank you. Once again, congratulations, Amandeep.
Thank you, sir.
And may you have a great success in your career.